This is the north side at Eindhoven train station and bus station. So, here's the bus station. Here in Eindhoven, let's go to the bus. So this is going to the train. We will go here. Ayan ang mga bus. Yan yung papunta sa amin. Going to Bagalan, that bus. Ayan ang mga bus station. Bus station here in Eindhoven. So Cosmos. So there's all the taxi actually. At doon, later dadating si Ronald, pipick upin ako. So and this is going to the train station. Ayan. Pasok ka dito, papunta naman ito sa train. Information, Starbucks. Ayan, pasok sa train. Diyan ako galing kanina. So aakyat ka doon, papunta naman yun sa train. This is the station in Eindhoven. Then if you will go out sa other side, ayun naman ay city center na yun. Pag doon ka lumabas sa kabila. Ito, pag lumabas ka dito sa kabilang side, ito yung bus station. Ayan, bus station na bus dito. Doon sa kabila, city center at Eindhoven. So ito yung bus station. So to the right is the city center, to the left is the city center, to the right is the bus station. At dito yung may mga nag-iintay. Yan. Mamaya dadating si Ronald. So I'm here in Eindhoven train station. Ayun ang train dun. Bus station. At eto, nasa bus. And then after,